Hi everyone, I am Sandy. Welcome back to my craft room. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe. I wanted to show you real quickly that the Cricut Design Space for the iPhone has updated. They have two new updates here, guides and offsets. So with guides, these are things where you can leave notes or create templates, and you can change them to a guide in the operations drop down, and then those won't get sent over to your mats when you go to make it. So that's a really nice feature. And then offset, we actually can do offset on our phone now, which is amazing. And I am going to show you how to do that very quickly here. So you're going to select a new project. And I am just going to quickly do my name here. Text. I'm just picking a child cheer for the font. And I'm going to type my name. Once I have my name in here, I go to edit. Well, you got to select it first. That would be helpful. And then you keep scrolling all the way over till you see offset. And then what you'll want to do is turn on the offset welds, and so that way it all comes around the word instead of each individual letter. And then you just move, either you tap on the little buttons here to make your offset bigger or smaller, or you can drag this little dot here. And so I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, like that. And then you just hit done. And then you have your offset. And then you can change the color of your offset by scrolling back over here to where the operation is, and then you can pick a color. I'm going to pick this lavender and hit apply. And it's as easy as that, and you now have offset on your iPhone.